ATEC, stock analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. And observing Alphatec holding stock sitting at $10.88, 9% up. Generally speaking, with this thing, I want to have a higher time frame look. All right, seems like we started shifting. I mean, we definitely started shifting way back then, so it's a bullish range. Although it seems like it's inside a supply area, the range already shifted lower. So that being said, it doesn't mean that I'm gonna immediately start buying or anything from that character. No, it means that if the price pulls down into my demand area, then and only then I will take things up. You know, it's obviously not financial advice. And I pull like a little normal thing here, and in the meantime, all I will keep doing is I will just keep waiting. So it's not financial advice. I want to see retracements like a madman, and if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.